Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the development of psychology in India. Okay, so here how psychology was developed in India. This will be mentioned in this PPT. First, in our India, the psychology was came in from the Western philosophy. Now, philosophy, if we say earlier, psychology was really concerned with the was considered as a philosophy, that is a study of soul earlier. Later, the term was converted into psychology. Okay, so first development of Department of Philosophy at Calcutta University. Firstly, there was a Department of Philosophy which was formed at the Calcutta University, and then first psychology lab was established in India in 1915, and then first department of psychology established at Calcutta University in 1916, and the purpose of this department was to study the experimental psychology. Then Dr. N.N. Sen Gupta formed the Department of Applied Psychology in 1938 to do experimental psychology here. So, the purpose of Dr. N.N. Sen Gupta was to conduct the experimental psychology in the Department of Applied Psychology in 1938. Then in 1922, Professor G. Bose established one association called Indian Psychoanalytic Association, that is IPA. So these two persons are very important. That is Dr. N.N. Sen Gupta and Professor G. Bose. Then Department of Psychology in University of Patna and Mysore was formed separately. Then UGC, that is University Grant Commission, also supported the following two centers of psychology, that is Utkal University and University of Allahabad. Now these two centers were considered as the center of psychology. Then now still there are total 70 universities which are conducting the different courses of psychology along with the other courses. Now, according to Durganand Sinha's book, Psychology, the book name is Psychology in a Third World Country, that is Psychology in India. In this book, the Indian experiences are mentioned. Okay, so this book is telling us about the development of psychology in four phases. That is phase one that is the time is till independence. That is the time till 1947. So phase one is telling us that scenario of psychology till 1947, that the main focus was on the experimental, psychoanalytical, and psychological testing and research. Then phase 2, that is till 1960. Phase 2, there was a main concentration on the expansion of different branches of psychology, that is cognitive psychology, neuropsychology, developmental psychology, and etc. Okay, so in our next presentation we will be discussing about the branches of psychology. Then in phase third, there was a concentration on problem oriented research. Okay, so here the main experiments were done to solve the problems of Indian society. So the timing of phase third is till 1970 1970. Then the phase of indigenization came. Now here, this is the main phase in where our Indian culture came into the emergence along with the psychological concepts. Okay, till phase 3, there was a Western framework of psychology, and in phase 4, that is indigenization phase, the Western framework was rejected and Indian framework came into existence. Okay, so what is here indigenization? Indigenization means all the psychological tests and experiments were conducted according to the comfortability of Indian people. Okay, So here all the Western technological terms were rejected and all Indian terms were derived for the psychological tests and experiments. Okay, so from the time of phase 4, that is indigenization, the psychology experiments and tests were differently conducted according to the Indian culture and Indian context. Okay, so here the same term is given indigenous psychology. That is indigenous psychology which is based on the Indian culture is called indigenous psychology. That is socially and culturally relevant framework developed by Indian psychologists based on ancient text and scriptures. So this indigenous psychology was framed on the basis of Indian culture and Indian societal norms, which would be comfortable to Indian people. The test would be comfortable to Indian people, and the Indian psychologist made this indigenous psychology based on the ancient text and scriptures. Thank you.